Don't hate me for saying this, but if your Temu discount code isn't applying, it's probably not the code. It's the way you're using it. And trust me, you're not alone. Thousands of people think their code is expired or fake, when really, Temu's system is just a bit more complicated than it looks. So, let's fix this once and for all. The working Temu discount code is right here on your screen, and it's also listed in the description and pinned comment. Along with a few bonus codes, Temu is still running for 2025. Use those if your first attempt doesn't activate. Alright, let's talk about why your code isn't working. 1. You're trying to apply the code at checkout. This is the #1 mistake. Temu does not activate most discount codes from the checkout page. You need to go to Coupons, redeem paste the code there. That's what actually loads the discount into your wallet. 2. Your cart doesn't match the code's rules. Every Temu discount code has hidden conditions. Minimum order amounts, specific categories, limited time items not valid for repeat users. If your cart doesn't qualify, Temu quietly blocks the code. 3. Your account is discount restricted. Yes, this is real. If Temu detects multiple code attempts or expired codes, your account may not receive new discount codes for a while. The easiest fix? Log out, open Temu on a fresh email or a new device, redeem the code again. This resets your discount eligibility instantly. Try the updated code on screen and comment if it finally applied. I keep testing new ones daily, so I'll reply with a fresh discount code if you need it.